right, hello everybody, Scott Girard here, and today I'm going to talk to you about making money on YouTube. Creating videos is more fun and easier to do and speaks to your audience better than traditional forms of marketing like posting on social media or making those phone calls, texting, whatever you might want to do. So in a moment, I'm going to share with you my experience with this and what I went through. But before we get into that, we're going to go into why it's more fun. So research is amazing. You find out what your customers or clients want. And research is actually fun when you know that what you are now going to provide is of huge value to your audience. When you do this and do it in a way that is amazing and you can just get in tune with the people that are there to be for you to be of service to them. Research becomes exciting and fun, and it's part of marketing. It's part of being in business. You can't get around it, and I've tried. It just it makes your days so much more fun. And with creating YouTube videos, of course, there's research involved, and things to do before the video is done. So now, once you've created a video, now you have an asset that you own. Videos are yours, they're yours always. They can be used to generate email lists. An email list is from all the top marketers in the world that I've researched and studied from, that your email list is your only asset, of course, other than YouTube videos, but only asset of customers that you actually own. If you have a list of friends or people that's subscribers or what have you on Facebook or YouTube or Google or wherever, you don't actually own that, and they can take that away at any time. I don't know about you. I know of people that have experienced their social media accounts getting banned, things like that, and all of a sudden they lose all of their contacts. Even on your phone, you can lose your contacts. Maybe the phone gets deleted or what have you, but your email list is always there. I have never lost an email list, and so that's huge. One of the people I've studied from and learned from, Mike Phil-Same, who's the founder of Groove Pages, says that every person on your email list is worth $1. So once created now in videos, though, they can be used on social media, websites, landing pages. They can be used to create a course that people will buy, or a free course as a lead magnet, that type of thing. So it's exciting to do this, exciting to create and make that content of your own. So and best of all, you get to develop a skill that you will carry forward in your everyday life. You'll become more social with people. You become an influencer, both online and offline, and that's huge. So here's my experience with marketing my business in the business world. I got told, make a list of 100 people and contact them. How many of you have been told that? And so I'm going to stop the screen share for a minute here. I think that's it. Yeah. So that's what I got told. So I'm going to stop this share so I can talk directly to you now. So I did that. I contacted everybody on my list and sent out, I think there was 600 messages in a period of 3 to 4 weeks. Nobody bought. what the heck is going on? Why is this happening? Like this is supposed to be what I'm supposed to do. This is what I do, right? You know, and so and then I went and went on, okay, social media. You got to show up on social media, do a live launch. Okay, awesome. Show up there for five days, and get in touch with people. I did a few live, 2 3 live launches. Nobody showed up. What is going on? And then I'm like, oh my goodness. So like, one, I wasn't presenting myself properly to people. I guess that was one way why I wasn't getting that. But I found myself just frustrated, and I was spending hours and hours, and I was spending thousands of dollars learning from people and doing the do, but I wasn't getting that. And so now, like creating a YouTube video, yeah, it might not work. That's fine, but you create another one and another one, and before you know it, you're in the likes of Paul Murphy, where he's created one video, one webinar through his YouTube channel and promoted it and generated $1 million in 4 months' time. I think his $1 million in revenue came within 6 weeks of doing that video. So, if you like throughout this through my videos here, I'm talking about Paul Murphy a lot, but I respect him. He's amazing. He's done a lot, and he shows us exactly what to do, where to go, how to do it. Everything that you need is right there. So if you want his course, go to scottsentme.com. I'm just going to share my screen here, /ATS course. That's scottsentme.com /ATS course. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, and comment below what are you frustrated with in your online marketing. Well, like I just shared with you what I was frustrated with. How could you see YouTube benefiting you and your business and what you're doing? I'd love to know that. If you have any questions, comment as well. And so in my next video, I am going to be talking about making your money on YouTube, but generating more customers online, costing you more time and money than it should. 3 solid tips for 2021. So head on over there now. It's right up there, and I will see you on the next video.